This tutorial is going to look at the steps needed to add a file, such as a syllabus, to a class. So we're going to start with the class homepage. In this case it's Moodle Train. And the first thing we're going to do is turn editing on by pushing that button at the top right. Now in the top section, if you're going to add a syllabus, that's the place to do it. So it appears right at the top of the class. If you don't have a summary, which this one doesn't, see it's blank here, we click the little pencil there next to the blank area. Okay, this opens the summary screen, and then we can just put a little summary in there. For in this case, this is the whole class summary, so we're going to put course XYZ, and you can put whatever you like to indicate what the course is about there. Scroll down, click Save Changes. So now the course XYZ summary shows up in the first section, and we're ready to add the syllabus. So let's click the Add a Resource pull down link. Go down to Link to a File or Website, because we're going to add a file and there will be a link to that file on the homepage, course homepage. So we click this. Now the Adding a New Resource screen comes up, and we're ready to give the link a name, and we're going to call it Syllabus Course XYZ. If I can get the Z in there right. There we go. Alright, now we can scroll down. You can put anything in this section here that you like, and if you want to put a little summary about the syllabus, but that's up to you. Then you scroll down, and now here's where, if this was going to be a web page, we could put the link to the web page here, but we're going to upload a file, so we're going to click Choose or Upload a File. Now a window pops up which shows the files that have been added to this course. At the beginning, when you have a new course, you wouldn't have any files here, but we're going to now upload a file. So we're not going to be choosing any of these files. If I actually stretch this out here, you'll see that there's some actions where you can choose or rename the different files. But we've got to put a new file in here, this syllabus. So we're going to click Upload a File. Now this screen comes up and it's ready to browse to find your file. So click Browse. Now you get the browser window, and we're going to find where we've got the class syllabus stores. In this case I stored it under Course XYZ, so I double click that. And now we see the syllabus. Now I've got both a Word version and a PDF version. Since this is the syllabus, there's no reason for anybody to edit it once it's out there, so I'm going to pick the PDF version that I saved and click the Open button at the bottom. Now it brings you back to the screen here, just that shows you that that's the file you're going to upload. You click Upload this file. Now we see the file was uploaded successfully at the top, and we can find it in the list. There it is, Syllabus XYZ. Okay, now we're ready to actually choose the file from the list here in order to make a link for it on the home page for the course. So the next thing we do is click the Choose button right here. This puts us into the Adding a New Resource screen again, and we've got the name we've already entered. We've got the file that we've already located. Now we're going to go down to the bottom, and we're going to click Save and Return to Course. This puts us back into the course, and we can see the syllabus is there. Okay, now let's turn editing off by pushing the button at the top right. Now we can see it as the student would see it with the course XYZ that we added there, and then the syllabus. Now if we click the syllabus link, it will open the file. This shows us the PDF file and what's in it. This is a very simple file that I created. So now if you're ready to go back to the course, you can either right click over on the left and go back, or click the back button on your browser. That brings you back to the course. You can see the syllabus again in there. This is the same methodology you'd use to add an assignment or anything in any of these other weeks of the course. When you turn editing on, now you can see the pull down in each screen, each section, each week section. So if you wanted to add a assignment resource in this first week, you would just go ahead and click the link to file our website in that one. So that's basically how you add files to the class in Moodle. Thank you.